Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Manshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and safe at your home. Today we will see third part of the story by Rukmani Banerjee titled Going to Buy a Book. This story is given in class 4 English book Marigold. In this video, we will see question answers and NCERT complete exercise. So let's get started. Let's discuss question answers first. Question number 1 is, why did grandfather give the children money? Answer is, the grandfather gave money to the children to buy books. Question number 2 is, where did they go to buy books? Answer is, they went to a small book shop to buy books. Question number 3 is, did the girl buy a picture book? Answer is, no, the girl bought a fat book with many stories in it. Now let's talk. Question number 1 is there a bookshop near your home? If there is, do you like to visit it? Friends, you can write the answer according to your experience. The answer of this question can be, yes, there is a bookshop near my home. Yes, I usually visit it on Sundays when I am free. Question number 2 is, what are the different kinds of books in this bookshop or in any other bookshop you have seen? Friends, you must have visited a bookshop where you can find different kinds of books. So answer of this question can be, there are many different types of books available in the bookshop like mysterious, comedy, drama and poetry. Now let's write. Question number 1 is, look at these sentences in the story. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should I buy a thin book? The color words above are describing words, big, small and thin. A describing word describes or gives us more information about things. It can be a color, size, shape, texture or number to name a few. Now fill in more describing words into the passage below. Here a passage is given to us. We have to fill the blank with correct and most suitable describing word. It was a dash night. It was a dark night. A dash girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a dash story. A little girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a short story. Her dash eyes opened wide and she gave a dash smile. Her blue eyes opened wide and she gave a charming smile. Now go to sleep, Paro. Her mother closed the book. Dash dreams. Sweet dreams. Question number 2 is, imagine that you will go to the bookshop tomorrow. What will you do there? Write 5 sentences beginning with I shall. Friends, here we have to imagine a situation where we will be visiting a bookshop. So we have to write 5 sentences on it. You can write your own sentences here. The answer of this question can be: I shall ask for the children's section. I shall pick up the books of my interest. I shall open a few books and go through them. I shall buy a book with lots of pictures. I shall pay for the selected book and bring it home. Question number 3 is: Tina goes to her school library to borrow a book. Complete her dialogue with the librarian by using "and" or in the blanks. Here, a conversation is given to us. We have to fill the blanks with "and" or "or". And "or" are conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to connect two sentences into one long sentence. "And" is used to add items to the list. "Or" is used to talk about options. Let's see the exercise. Tina: Madam, I want to borrow a book. Librarian: Do you want a storybook? A book of poems. Here, the librarian is giving option to the girl. So we will use "or". Tina: I want a storybook. Librarian: Do you like stories about animals? Adventure stories. Now here again, the librarian is giving an option to the girl, so we will use "or". Tina: I like both. Librarian: Go to the second cupboard. On the first shelf, you will find animal stories. On the second, adventure stories. Now here, librarian is talking about all the possible options, so we will use "and". Tina: After selecting 2 books, Madam, I want Black Beauty Panchatantra stories. Now here it is given that she has selected both the books, so we will use "and". Librarian: You can have either Black Beauty Panchatantra stories. Now again the librarian is giving an option to the girl, so we will use "or". Question number 4 is: What is your favorite book? Write down the name of the book, then write down the story. Friends, reading book is a fruitful habit. It benefits both your physical and mental health. Here you can write about your own favorite book and its story in short. So the answer of this question can be: My favorite book is Akbar and Birbal Stories, because it has many moral stories which are interesting and sometimes funny. My favorite story is Pandit's Mother Tongue. Friends, you can find this beautiful story, Pandit's Mother Tongue, link in the description box. So here is the story, Pandit's Mother Tongue. One day, a multilingual Brahmin, a learned person, happened to visit Akbar's court. He said, I challenge you to find out my mother tongue. If you fail to do so, you will have to accept defeat. The courtiers asked the Brahmin several questions in different languages. He spoke all languages very fluently, as if they were his mother tongue. The courtiers could not guess his mother tongue. Then Birbal tells the Pandit that he shall find out the Pandit's mother tongue in a day or two. The Pandit agrees. That night Birbal sneaks into the Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. He whispers into the Pandit's ear. Then he tickles his ear with a feather. The Pandit, who was in deep sleep, shouted out some words in his mother tongue. The next day Birbal declares that the Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu in front of the whole court. The Pandit agrees to it. Akbar is astonished and congratulates Birbal and asks him how he find out the truth. Birbal explains that in times of difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue. So friends, I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you for your love.